Hello friends, my name is Siddhant and today we will discuss about the problem how we can find the maximum value in array. So we will check this first from the inbuilt function which is a max. So if I write max and I pass a given array, so it will return the maximum value. You can see if I change the value here 9, I will get the maximum value 9. But here we will today try without using this inbuilt function. So for that we will write a definition find max value and we will pass the array, and first we will create a variable where we will store the output. We will first iterate through this given array and will compare with that variable. Whichever is the maximum value, we'll update that variable and that will be our answer. So let's create an answer variable and I will assign the minus infinity here. So this is the way you can assign minus infinity in Python. After that, we'll write a for loop and in that we'll iterate through each element and we'll compare. So if the answer, if I is greater than answer, so we will update this value and we'll assign the current value. Now this way, at the end of this for loop, we will get the maximum value in the answer variable and we will return answer. Now let's print this method and we'll pass the parameter pass the given array, and you can see we have maximum value here. If I change this value and put 4, so the maximum value is 8. So you can see this method is working. Now let's talk about the time complexity. Time complexity of given arrays, we are iterating through the array once for each element, and if there are n elements, so time complexity is big O of n. And same space complexity, here we are not taking any extra memory, so we can say that space complexity is O of 1. Thank you friends, do let me know if you have any question.